And you know what it has to do with, yes, the Facebook IPO. The question coming up later today, was it a success or was it a fiasco? Of course, the truth probably lies somewhere in between. But I would say that overall, my take is that it's getting kind of a bad rap. And it may be called a fiasco by those investors looking to flip their shares, and it may be called a fiasco by the media, which is always likes to hype these kind of things. But I don't consider it a disaster. In fact, quite the opposite. Today's modest trading performance is in fact proof that investors might not be the mindless, greedy lemmings that I often happen to think they are. Does that mean that investors are a rational, perfectly efficient lot? Absolutely not. A Facebook valuation of over $100 billion is still ridiculous to me. But hey, it's not as bad as $130 or $150 billion. Many will say that Morgan Stanley, the underwriter here, did not do what they were supposed to do. But the truth is they got a very, very good and full price for the selling shareholders. And that really is what they are paid for at the end of the day. Their job is not. It is not to be handing profits to large institutional investors who get allocations in the IPO, or to some of the retail investors who put in for the allocation either. Folks, this is an $18 billion IPO. If this thing closes anywhere near the offering price, that will be a success. The great irony of the Facebook IPO, in fact, may be that the failure of the stock to pop hugely, rather than being a source of concern or cause me, at least, to question the stock market, actually gives me greater faith in the stock market, because it shows that markets overall may be more rational than I often think they are. Folks, the market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the sooner people figure that out, and if it's through something like the Facebook IPO, the better off we all are.